So you want to add a record in Servicenow on a new issue in Jira. But do you really have the time to do that manually each time you have a new issue in Jira? It can be quite tiresome. Well, that's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps. To begin, visit this page and click on the Try Now button. You will see the Add Accounts screen. Here, you will add your Servicenow and Jira accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And you can always rest assured, because we keep your data secure with bank-level encryption, and we are GDPR compliant. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer from Jira to Servicenow. Once you complete this step successfully, Automate.io will create a record on Servicenow whenever there is a new issue in Jira. So first, let's focus on Jira, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when our automation should start. And this is whenever we get a new issue in Jira. And please note, you have multiple triggers to choose from in this dropdown, which will come in handy for any other task that you'd want to accomplish. And now moving to Servicenow, this is our action app, which defines what action should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to add a record on Servicenow whenever we get a new issue in Jira. And again, there are of course other actions to choose from for any other use cases you might have. For our automation to work, we need to fill in the right values in the required input fields for Servicenow. The first required input field is table. Select the table from this dropdown where you want your Jira data to go to. Note that the field names that appear in the table name are taken from the columns in our example table in Servicenow. You will see different input fields based on your table. And these fields can be filled out by dragging and dropping relevant data from Jira like this. This data will help you get real-time updates on your Jira issues. So now that we've set up our automation, let's move on to test it out. So go ahead and click Done right here. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether our bot works the same way we would like it to. We can do this by either entering sample data or by creating a new issue in Jira. I will show you how to test by creating an issue in Jira. Now come back to your Automate.io dashboard and you will see the test run successfully. And let's also check our Servicenow app and see if the new record has been created. There you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all of this work for you. If you want to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Thank you for watching this video.